Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my experience on Olaplex Hair Treatment. One of my friends, who is a makeup artist, she works with all the beauty stuff, she suggested me trying the Olaplex treatment just because my hair is, as you can see, obviously bleached. My natural color is pretty much like this, and then the rest is bleached to the maximum. So what the Olaplex is? It's basically a product that is exceptionally used at a salon. You can't buy it yourself unless you are a licensed professional. This product should fix and reconnect the broken bonds in your hair, and these bonds are breaking when you are bleaching your hair, dyeing your hair, applying lots of heat or any kind of other chemicals. So yeah, if you Google the Olaplex, you'd find so many amazing articles, amazing science-based, informative articles and videos and tutorials on how it works. And yeah, of course, I was hooked by this marketing too, and I decided to try it. So I made an appointment at my local beauty salon. I went there, and a beautiful lady started the procedure. So basically, she washed my hair firstly, because the hair has to be completely clean and free of any kind of product buildup, and then she mixed a bit of the Olaplex #1, the yellow liquid, with I guess it was simple water. So she mixed everything and applied it on my hair and left it for like 5 or 10 minutes. It was really nice that I could see the actual product. I saw the labels, the packaging, the actual bottles, so I knew that she used the real Olaplex on me. After that, she applied the Olaplex #2 on my hair without rinsing the first one. Now this product, the second one, it has the most beautiful smell in the world. It's just amazing. It looks like a conditioner, but it's not a conditioner. She left it in my hair for like 1/2 of an hour and then just washed my hair with a regular shampoo, blow dried it, and that's it. So it's probably gonna take you a bit less than an hour to do all this treatment. And of course, guys, my hair felt amazing. It was looking super healthy, shiny and sleek, and it felt really heavy. But sadly, this beauty lasted only till the first time I washed my hair. And I washed my hair with a really gentle, natural shampoo that is paraben free, sulfates free, all that nasty chemicals free. So I was kind of shocked in the first place, because yeah, the price is fair. You have to pay quite a lot of money for the treatment at a salon treatment, so you expect this to last longer than just one wash. I have to say I wash my hair only once in a week, so I waited almost like 6 or 7 days after the first treatment till I washed my hair. But guys, I thought maybe it's just my hair care routine that just doesn't go well with the Olaplex, so I decided to try it one more time. Actually, guys, you have to do a certain amount of Olaplex treatments, and the amount of treatments depends a lot on your hair structure and how damaged it is. So in my case, we did 3 treatments in total, and we were a month in between treatments. Of course, you can do the Olaplex more frequently, like once in a week. Sometimes it's even done like twice in a week. But it really mainly depends on your hair health, structure, how damaged it is, and how it responds to the Olaplex. So a month later, I went back to the same salon. The lady did the exactly same procedure. I went back home. My hair feels amazing again, and yeah, 1 week later, I wash my hair and everything is just like the same. When you wash your hair, everything just fades away. It feels like the Olaplex is like bye-bye in my sink. This time I skipped my hair care routine, so I wasn't using oil masks before I wash my hair. So I thought that maybe it's the oil that is removing all the Olaplex from my hair. So this time I skipped the oil mask. I washed my hair with the same gentle, natural shampoo, and everything went the same. So again, my hair lost all the Olaplex that was there. It felt just as before with treatments, before I started with treatments. Yeah, disappointed again. However, gals at the salon said you cannot judge the treatment till you haven't finished it fully. I had 3 treatments in total, so it's my full Olaplex treatment. And after the third one, yes, I did the third one, obviously, the lady said, "That's it, your hair is perfect, you can thank me." Sadly, there was nothing to thank for, because I felt like I wasted my time and I wasted my money. I really don't want to put hate on this product, but guys, it just didn't work on me, and it's really sad. So in my opinion, guys, maybe my hair just wasn't damaged too much and Olaplex couldn't show its amazing results in me. Maybe I just have a good hair care routine that suits my hair, suits my hair type, and I just don't need things like Olaplex. My message to you guys is, if you have normal, healthy hair that was never ever bleached, dyed, damaged at all, don't try Olaplex. You totally don't need it. Now, if your hair is bleached, for example like mine, but it's still quite healthy, obvious my hair isn't the healthiest hair in the world, but if we say it's quite normal, so if your hair is normal, just don't expect a lot from this treatment. And lastly, the most important, guys, if you have a friend who works with hair care, Olaplex, so on, ask him her to buy the Olaplex for you so that you could do the Olaplex treatment at home. Of course, you have to follow the instructions, but it's just not a really complicated thing to do, because that would save a ton of time and ton of money for you. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Show me that you are interested in the content I do, because your interest is the best the creator could have. So that's all for today, guys. Love you all so much. Bye.